out at the beach in Fort Lauderdale. We're gonna go shore diving with my dive rig. Got some spear guns, all the camera gear, and the lobstering gear. It's myself, Noah, and Nick.
What's up, everybody? We're going beach diving today.
And we're gonna catch some lobsters.
Welcome to the second episode of 1 Minute Weekends. We're going on a somewhat spontaneous trip to Blue Springs. Right now it's 6:30 a.m.
I'm trying to dive Blue Springs this week. Is it going to be open for diving? And she said, yeah, as long as you have 2 divers. I was like, all right, thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Hung up the phone. We drove all 4 of the hours to get here. Me, Cheryl, and Noah. And there's a manatee right next to the spring boil, right next to it.
Just deciding to give birth today. All
these googans taking pictures. There's this lady with some Walmart flippers and a Walmart mask. It's all bright yellow. Of course it's gonna scare the manatee. She's down there doing research. I could gather more data about this thing with the drone. I mean.
And welcome to Weenie Hut Central.
Weenie Hut Central, baby. Why do we always end up, planning never works out.
On our stuff, you have to have at least 3 plans set forth.
Yeah. Ow! Dude, the state of Florida got our ass. Totally. In South Florida, we just drive a quick 3 hours. We'll have some awesome diving in Blue Springs. Psych! 2 more hours. We made it, baby. 6 hours later.
We're at Itchituckney Springs. Itchituckney.
It's your buddy.
So we just finished diving at Itchituckney, and now we're at a spring called Little River, and I guess we'll see what it has to offer.